Hi Manisha. First of all, congratulations for making a decision of buying the Kangen technology. Thanks to Akhil also. And yes, today it's been 1 month now. What has been your first gut feeling on this?
Hello, myself is Manisha, and I'm happy that I have chose to buy this Kangen water system because before I was not able to drink water on empty stomach, 2 glasses, and now I am able to drink that, and that is the first benefit. Second thing, I have never felt bloated, and also second important thing for me was food. Maybe I'm 101% sure that till this time I must be eating so many, I have added so many pesticides in my body. But after this I am sure that there is not a single drop of pesticides gone in my body, because it, I can see with my naked eyes that fruits or vegetables or I think coriander, anything, everything is being cleaned easily, and I can see that the difference, and even the food is tasted well the after this use of the Kangen water. So I am so happy. Food is cooked fast. That is also important thing for me. So thank you so much, Vinod ji, for, and yes, I must say thank you, Akhil, for suggesting this, and we
Yes.
are happy that we took the decisions.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, ma'am. This adds a lot of values for many other family members who are using Kangen and to get into a different variants of Kangen water also. Thank you very much once again. Thank you.
Thank you so